Roundup isn't the only time 4-H'ers have been in Stillwater this summer. Some of them have been here already, trying to solve a mystery. Every summer, camps take place all across Oklahoma, but odds are you haven't heard of one quite like this.
They crushed it. There you go. So they had to squeeze it, right? Okay.
Here at State 4-H Forensics Camp, often known as CSI in the field, students use science to collect evidence and solve mock crimes.
What they're going to do in the lab today is to look for fingerprints of both humans, the human fingerprints that we all know about, but also DNA fingerprints. And they're going to be able to retrieve DNA of the perpetrators, mock perpetrators, from the evidence that they've collected.
And then we go to court, and they have a trial. They have a mock trial and decide who's guilty and who's not.
Young people from 6 counties across the state took part in this year's camp.
We want to interest kids in science and technology. Particularly, we'd like for them to be interested in agricultural sciences and technology, but we're just showing them another facet of what is available for them for careers in science, technology, engineering, and math. This is a pretty small camp because it's pretty intense in all that we do. So we have 6 counties that are represented. Each county has brought 3 kids and a teacher or a county extension educator. The ultimate goal of this is that when they go back home, the teacher will be able to present this curriculum, probably not as in-depth as what we're doing here, but they'll be able to teach it in a classroom or for other 4-H clubs. And the kids are also in part of the leadership training, so when they go back home, they can be involved in doing a day camp or something similar that will fit in their home community.
4-H youth are able to apply their everyday knowledge with new techniques, rewarding for both student and instructor.
So it's really a fun thing to have the kids come in from all over Oklahoma. Many of them come from farm backgrounds, so they care about agriculture, and they know about how their food is produced, and they understand what a valuable resource it is for our country. And so to see them apply what is inside them in their hearts and collectively pull together that with what we teach them and what they're putting their own expertise and their reasoning to is very rewarding for us.
All the while, building up life skills these students will carry forward.
Well, I love science, and my teacher asked me to come, and I love anything about science. It's my favorite subject, and I hope to do something in the future with science when I get older.
Hopefully they'll see that this is a place that's not something far off and unattainable, but it's like, I could go to school there and I could study science. And if we get one kid out of this bunch that, wasn't normally going to come up here, that's a huge accomplishment.